Welcome back to the Rackwarehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the EXO SwingBase Hitch System from Yakima. The EXO SwingBase is a swingable base, as the name suggests, that can be used for almost any activity you can think of. A blank canvas in its current state, EXO-specific accessories range from bike racks, to cargo baskets, to a ski rack. A 2-level add-on can even be installed called a top shelf to allow you to have 2 accessories mounted at once. EXO accessories install in seconds using the tool-free EXO cleat system, and locking speed knobs allow you to keep everything secure. To install the EXO SwingBase, insert the tongue into your vehicle's hitch receiver. Use the supplied 24mm wrench to install the hitch bolt and washer as shown, and install the hitch lock. Make sure to put the cover over the lock cord to help keep the dirt out. Place the SwingBase onto the tongue and align the holes. Use the wrenches to install the 2 bolts and 2 nuts as shown. With that, the EXO SwingBase is installed and assembled. To use it, release the pin located on the arms to unfold them. Do the left one first to gain access to the pin on the right one. Loosen the speed knobs fully before loading your EXO accessories. Make sure the pin next to the knobs is in the unlocked position, then install your EXO accessories using the cleat system. Tighten the speed knobs back up, and lock them up to keep things secure. To open the EXO SwingBase, loosen the large knob, then pull the pin. Swing the unit until the second pin engages and locks the gate in the open position. To close it, repeat the same steps in reverse. This concludes our video on the Yakima EXO SwingBase. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.